Good morning, Burda. My name is Robbie and welcome to day one of Ballet Cymru's online class tutorials. Please make sure you're in a safe space with lots of room around you where you're not going to hit anything or anyone. The ideal footwear for this will be ballet shoes, bare feet or socks if you've got them. Please have a read of our full safety disclaimer, which is on all of our platforms. We need you to be safe at home. Today, I'm going to be teaching you the first exercise in our classes, and it will be a warm-up tendu from first position facing the bar. Before we start, we need to get your cardio going with a little warm-up. So a good warm-up to do is 30 seconds of running on the spot, 30 seconds of jumping jacks or star jumps, and 30 seconds of crunches on the floor. Do them for 30 seconds each and 4 rounds and you'll be ready to go. Okay, so we're going to start facing the bar or whatever you have to use as a bar. We're starting in first position. I'm going to put my hand on it so you guys can see. So we're going to tendu out on 1. We're going to turn in 2, turn out 3, bring it back in 4. I'm going to pop the demi point 5, come down 6, then do a demi-plie 7, stretch up 8. I'm going to repeat this with our right leg to second, going out on 1, turn in 2, turn out 3, bring it back in 4, push the demi over 5, come down 6, demi-plie 7, stretch up 8. Same with our right leg, going derriere. Tendu out 1, turn in 2, turn out 3, bring it in 4, pop the demi 5, down 6, plie 7, 8. Then we're going to have 2 more tendus to a la seconde with our right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to rise 5, over 6, come down 7, stretch up 8. We're going to repeat all of this with our left foot. We go out 1, we turn in 2, we turn out 3, we bring it in 4, pop the demi 5, come down 6, plie 7, 8. We go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 tendus to second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pushing off both feet, we come up. We go down 6, plie 7, stretch 8. And there you go. There's your exercise. A few little things to think about while we're doing the exercise. When you're in your first position, pull those legs together, engaging everything from the feet up and stand nice and tall. Spreading your feet out on the floor. If you've got a cat, bring your cat in as well. Now, when we tendu out, I really would like to see some articulation on the floor and then using our rotating muscles in both legs for the turn out. When we pop the leg onto the demi point, make sure that we're not rolling or twisting, that we're going straight over our toes and our knee is following that line. Pushing our heels down firmly into the ground and then demi-plie and both knees going out over the toes, a nice even weight spread out through the feet. I would like to thank the very talented David Plumpton for letting us use his class CDs. We go out 1, turn in 2, turn out 3, bring it in 4, over 6, plie 7, 8. Second 1, turn in, turn out, bring it in, over, down, plie, up. Derriere 1, 2, 3, 4, over 5, 6, plie 7, 8. 2 tendus, 1, 2, 3, 4, rise up 5, 6, 7, left leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, demi-plie 7, 8. Second, 2, 3, 4, pop it over 5, 6, demi plie 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, demi, 2 out, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, plie, up. Thank you for watching and keep a lookout. Every day, Ballet Cymru will be posting new content on all of our social media platforms. So until I see you again, thank you for watching. Stay positive, and a big shout out to all the key workers and the NHS who are looking after us. Stay indoors and wash your hands and stay safe, everybody.